Okay mga lods, so ito nagbabalik na ako mga lods at meron tayo ditong bisita, si Willy. Meron siyang tatlong 8 inches na instrumental speakers. So as per owner, the problem of Willy is no sound. Turn on. Again. Wala. No sound. So Willy has no sound. Oh, come on, Willy. Oh, there's no humming. So there's no humming. Is it possible that these two audio ICs are defective? I don't think so. Okay, so I'm going to check first the part number. Part number. Pin 2 and pin 3, the supply is 3.7, then it will take a drop towards the pin number 3. In this unit, pin number 6 is the input, and pin number 7 is going to ground. Okay, so as we can see here, pin number 8 is CTR. What is CTR? The supply is coming from the coil, it's checked. 3.9, directly going to pin number 2. Pin number 3 out of the diode, 3.8. So it drops. .8. So the supply is there, then why there is no sound? Next step is by using a signal tracer, and it is already, the ground is connected already. So pin number 6 and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, pin number 6 is the input, positive. Turn on, then FM. Let's raise the volume first. So the inputs going to pin number 6. Okay. So there's a signal, so that means system IC is working well. It sends the signal to the two audio IC. Loud and clear. The supply is present, the signal is there. Then why these two audio ICs are still dead? Is it possible that these two audio ICs are defective? So for me, that is very impossible. Though they became defective at the same time, maybe one is possible, but if both of them, that is very impossible. So there is missing voltage. That is why they are being muted. Okay, so ito na mga lods, oh. Yan. So ang ginawa ko, pinutol ko yung dito, oh. Yung CTR, pinutol ko. Yan, oh. Yan. Yung butas na yan, konektado yan dito, di ba? Wala na yung koneksyon, pinutol ko dito. Pagpasok dito. Tapos kumuha ako ng, ito kasi mataas ang supply dito. Dito rin sa diode, sa coil, 3.9. So naghanap ako ng mas mababa. So nakakuha ako dito, 3.2. 3.2 volts. Tapos ay yun ang sinusupply ko dito sa resistor. So wala nang connection itong butas na to dito. Kasi kinakat ko siya dito, in between dito at saka sa butas. Cut na yan. Wala nang connection yan. So bali ang connection nito hanggang dito na lang sa butas. Pinutol ko na dyan. Tapos ayun, kumuha ako ng 3.2 na supply dito. Naghanap lang ako ng 3.2. Pinakamababa kasi 3.9 na supply. So ito, testing natin. Okay na siya mga lods. Try natin ha. On.
Bluetooth mode.
FM.
FM mode.
Makatpiray tayo. Okay, so pakita ko sa inyo voltahe ha. Kasi baka ayaw nyo maniwala. Tester ko ay itim na. So baka hanap na to ng bago. Sayang lang kasi ito mga lods. Matagal na to sa akin. 18 years of service na ito. Ground. So galing dito. Ay, naka-off.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth lang kasi pag FM may sound, may music. Copyright pa tayo. Yan o. 3.2. Punta sa resistor. 3.2. Okay, so need niya ng 3.2. Yan. Okay. Pasok. Okay na. So till my next video mga lods. Bye bye.
AUX mode. Bluetooth mode. FM mode.